Rounded.
Hey, love is everything. And without it, I'm nothing.
The boy is mine.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another WEQUEEN hair collab. Okay, so this is my second collab working with the company, and this is my second wig from them. And of course, I will link the first video down below in the description box as well as in the cards. But the first one I did a headband wig review, and the second one I did another headband wig review. Now I have a wig like this similar, but it's longer, so I wanted something shorter. Okay, so we are definitely going to get into details about this wig because I'm loving it, loving the color, the length, all of that, and it is human hair. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details, especially in case I forget something, because y'all know how I do. Sometimes I can be a little forgetful, okay? But make sure you guys check the description box below for the link to this wig in case you are interested. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
I'll be more than you ever could dream of.
So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 3 in the front and 1 in the back. It does have an adjustable strap, and of course it had the black strap on top, okay, where you could put the headband on top. Now they did send me a bag full of headbands, and I do have this one. This is the one that I chose to wear for this wig today, because it goes with my makeup. So hello, okay? But I always love when companies send headbands, especially when they send more than one. WEQUEEN and another company is definitely on it with the headband. We'll send you 6 of them, okay? 5 to 6, 4, 5, 6, and I really do appreciate it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So this is their deep curly headband wig. It is highlighted. It's a glueless unit, of course, because it is a headband wig. Now the length that I have is 14 inches, I believe. Right now on the website it doesn't show 14 inches. It only shows 16 and 18 inches. So at the time when I picked this wig out, this wig 14 inches retail for about $109, okay? So they also have a 16 inch and an 18 inch as well, and then of course you will get a headband set. They have 3 different sets that you can choose from. Now again, the texture is deep curly. It's 100% virgin Brazilian human hair. The density is 150%. It's pre-attached with a 2.5 wide headband, no lace, and the average cap size is 22 inches, and of course comes with adjustable strap. So yeah, so really cute, like I said, and its human hair is really soft. Like, I didn't put anything in it. I took it straight out of the bag and put it on my hair, and it is very soft. I just took my fingers and, you know, fluffed it out a little bit, but this hair is super soft. I love the highlighted colors that's going on. I love the length. I did notice over here that this is a little bit longer, so maybe they forgot to cut it, but that's nothing. I could go ahead and cut that. But yeah, it's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side, the back, and this side. So yeah, y'all already heard me say a couple times already, I really do like this wig. So I want to thank WEQUEEN for reaching out to me and asking me to review another wig. I really do appreciate it. I love this company. They have not failed me yet, so I do hope to continue to work with them again in the future. Of course, you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color and the length and all of that. If you've tried WEQUEEN's headband wigs or anything else from them, let me know down below in the comments. And of course, if you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask me down below as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.